Hello dear ladies and gentlemen. Today I will tell you about the kick action in Jive. So, first of all, you need to start thinking about your feet, because your feet action is doing every time you're doing the holding the leg, and when you throw it you do the feet action again, like this. I'm going up, down, kick action, and then again up, and again down. Heel on the floor, heel up, heel on the floor, heel up, heel on the floor again. From the side, it looks like heel up, heel on the floor, heel up, heel on the floor, heel on the floor, heel up, heel on the floor, heel up. One more time. Heel on the floor, heel up, heel on the floor, heel up, heel on the floor. The second point, when I'm collecting my working leg, my foot needs to be in this position, not like this, not there. It goes strictly with the standing leg, like this, like this. Because if I will do even a little bit there, girls, especially for you, you will make a hole in your dress, because every time when you will go down with your leg, it will catch it, it will catch your skirt. So we have heel on the floor, leg by leg, heel up, heel down. Here I'm doing the kick action. The kick action needs to be in the exact point. If you will do a point and then you will move your leg forward, it will be like flick, like this. This is just another movement, okay? Because the kick action is doing in the point, and from this point my leg is going back the same direction. And go down through the leg. So together it will look like a little bit about the exercises. First of all, you need to practice your kick action without the kick. To do it like this. If you will do this several times, you will understand how to move your weight. Yeah? And then, at the point when you will put your heel on the floor, you will get some kind of impulse to throw your leg. Yeah? And the main energy which you need to concentrate on is the energy of going back the leg. So you need to throw it and go back, like this. You can see that sometimes I'm not putting the heel on the floor the first time. Yeah? We can use it. We can use it if we have too many kick actions when we're changing them. Yeah? From this point, I can go exactly up. But better when you're doing the practice slowly to put it. Yeah? Because you will get more power in your feet if you will practice like this. But when you're doing in the full tempo, of course you can do it without the putting first time the heel on the floor, like this. But when the slow, thank you for your attention.